Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naziha binti Zaindia. So I'm gonna explain about this PLC diagram. So as we can see, when we press X1, we can see our relay for C1 will be closed. Why so? Our solenoid for S1 will be energized. That means it will open the valve for allow the fluid flow into the tank. After the tank is full, the float switch will be closed, so our relay for S1 and our solenoid for S1 will be de-energized. That means it will stop the flood flow into the tank. And at the same time, our timer for T1 will start to count for 120 seconds. So at the end of 120 seconds, Relay C2 will energize, that means it will active our timer T2 for 20 seconds, and our solenoid S2 also will be energized to drain the tank. So after 90 seconds, the timer will be break and solenoid S2 will be de-energized.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Haizal. Okay, for my part, I will explain about the truth table. As you can see here, this is the truth table of the PLC ladder diagram for my group. There are 4 conditions. First is 0000. The second condition is 01000. And the third condition is 10101. The last condition is 11010. Okay, what can we observe from the truth table is that the solenoid 1 and 2 keep their condition at low state when the push button is a low state or zero input. The high state of float switch 1 will affect solenoid 1, while float switch 2 will affect solenoid 2 to start working if the push button remain in a high state. Once the start button change into state to 1, the solenoid 1 turn high state. When the float switch 1 give input of 1, solenoid 1 will be a high state and solenoid 2 at a low state. When a float switch 2 turn into 1, timer 1 will be activate after 10 seconds. Timer 1 will activate another timer which is timer 2. After 10 seconds, timer 2 will send input to solenoid 2 and turn it into a high state. The condition when the start button is low state while float switch 1 and 2 are at the high state will not happen, which is at the condition 2. This is because the start button need to remain on to give input to float switch 1 or 2 to turn into a high state. The last one is solenoid 1 and 2 cannot be in high state at the same time in any condition of the input. So what can we conclude from the truth table is the condition 1, 3 and 4 is the only condition that can happen in our system, but the condition 2 cannot happen. The reason why, as I mentioned before, the start button need to remain on to give input to the float switch 1 or 2 to turn into a high state. Okay, that's all for my part. Thank you.